Hi, we received an iPhone charge today. Then Mr. Wang quarreled with his wife because misunderstanding and threw his wife phone is anger. Now the wife is going to divorce him if how we can help him repair his phone and let him get her wife back well. Let me try my best to fix it. If I do well, please give me a like. People who control their emotion can control their life, and mobile phone can be also have a chance to save. But something and people will be lost forever. Well, today video is over soon. Do you think Mr. Wang can save his wife? I'm Jessica, committing to becoming the moonlight of the mobile phone repair industry.